HTML links. So we have two types of HTML links. We have internal links and external links. We'll start with internal links. Internal links simply means navigating from one file to another within your own page. For instance, let's create another file and let's just call it about us page. About us. Remember to put the HTML extension .html. As you can see, .html, enter. Now this is a new blank page. So inside it, let's just still remember to put our HTML structure. So inside this place, let's just write a simple about us text. Let's use head 1, so it will be very bold. Let's say okay, let's say use block letter. We are MSG code. Okay, let me use this. Let me do it this way. About us. So let me do it in a way that it will be more friendly. Let me add it some style. Let me say okay. Let me also do the style. Let me do okay. Let's say let me increase the font size. Let me make the font size 4 em. Okay, this is for the about us. Then let me also add color. Let me say color. Should use green. Let me use Let me use chocolates. Okay, let's use purple. I'm not good in color combination, just for the sake of this purple. Okay, I think getting something along in this color and not put colon. Okay, purple. Now, okay, what do I need to add again? I think I'm okay. Let me use Rollin to type some random words. Paragraph. Let me write some random words with Rollin. So let's just generate about 40 random words. 40, okay. And then that 40 random words, let's just add it some reasonable style. Let's just give it a color of okay, forgot something. Let's just add background color to this our style. Background color, let me give it black. Okay, now this our paragraph here. Now let me give it just very simple. Let me just give it let me just give it only a green color. Just give it green color. Say style green. No, style color colon green. Let me just give it green. I think green is okay. Green, I think is okay. Okay, that's okay. Let me leave it this way. Let me not over design it. Just just for a reference purpose. So we have created another file, which is we have created the about us page. So let's close it. It's already in our folder. Now inside our index.html, let's say um okay, let's say let me use okay let me use h1. Just want to make this thing look more reasonable. Let's say welcome. Let me use capturator. Welcome to our welcome to our welcome to our let's say websites. Just use our website. Welcome to our website. Welcome to our website. It's supposed to be updating here. Okay, welcome to our website. Okay, sorry about that. I think this is making more sense. I don't need to style anything. Let me just keep it simple and straightforward. Let me just okay. Let me give we're talking about internal link. So welcome to our website. Okay, let me use speed tag and then add the link that will link us to this our about us page. Okay, so let me say let me before I use this one. Okay, let me type something random. Let's say rolling. This is let me make use of small letters. Okay, let me say just say London was to fill up our page. Let me use 25 London was. Okay, this is the London was. Okay, okay, now okay. Then what I want to do is after this word, after this our paragraph, let me give the client or the users our about us link. So when they click on it, they'll be redirected to our about us to know more about us. So let me use head3 to do that. Let me use h3. Okay, I say no, yeah, no more about us, no more about us. Okay, let me use it this way. More about us. Okay, so we want to create a simple link. When the user click it, they will be redirected to our page. So by doing this now, I want to target no more about us. I want to target this about us. About us. I want to make it a link. So when the user click it, they will be redirected to this about us page that we created that is still in our folder. So to do it, use href, just type a. Now this is a href. So what we want to do now is grab this about us, cut it, put it inside this, in between the opening and closing tag of this a tag. Control V. You can see it's now highlighted about us. If you click it, it will not redirect you to anywhere because we have not linked our file yet. So what we're going to do now just inside this our href. What this thing simply means that href means where do you want to redirect the user when they click this about us here. So this about us is just like a clickable part. Then the href equals to means where you want them to be like redirected. So we want to redirect them to a certain file in our folder. So to go to the name of that folder is about us. So but the easiest way to go to navigate within your folder, just to click dot backward slash, it will restart the whole content of your folder. Then you select the files that you want within your folder. So ours is about us.html. This is our main page, index.html, but this is our about us.html that we created. So we click it. So it's now linked. So you can see it's now highlighted with blue, showing that it's now connected to a it is going to be redirected to a particular place when clicked. So when we click it, here you can see the user is now redirected to this our page, that this our about us page that we created. So you can click back to our home page. Then if you click it again, they will now redirect. So I want us to just create another link here, that when the user click it, they will be redirected back to our home page. That one is very simple. So what we are going to do is go to our about us page. Under here, just let me use a hash3 tag. Let me say okay, let me use go back to okay, or let's say back to home page. Just let me make it brief. Back to home page. Okay, let me just put hyphen here to make it look more. Back to home page. So let me make this home page clickable so that when the user click it, they'll be redirected back to this our index.html. So just put the anchor tag, enter, copy this our home page, cut it, not copy, cut it, paste it in as we do the other side. Control V, paste is now a clickable link. Now we will then redirect the user to dot slash to select the file that you want to redirect them to. So we want to redirect them to index.html. Okay, so as you can see now, it's not clickable. Okay. So when the user click here, they'll come to our home page. When they click about us, they'll go back to our about. This is for internal links in HTML. Now let's do external. So let's go back to our home page. So let's leave this our about us. Let's push it down with using break. We'll still talk about break. Okay, here is our index dot supposed to be inside our index.html, which is our home page. Inside here now, let's push this no more about us down so we can have a clickable link that the user can navigate to, which is what we want to do now is talk about the external link. So let's push this down. So enter, say br, which is for short term for break. Break means to push it down. So control this to multiply this so you can push it more down. Say br shift alt down arrow key. So this know more about us will come down. That's what this thing does. Okay, now okay, so it's not done. So let's say wash our okay. let me use hash. Okay, okay, uh let's say let's say follow us. Let me use the word follow us on Facebook. Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. Okay. Follow us on Facebook. So I want to make this Facebook clickable. So when the user click here, they will be redirected to our Facebook page. Okay. So what we are going to do, as we have said before, just put the normal href, and so copy this Facebook, or not cut it, Control X, cut it, paste it in between the href tag, Control V. So Facebook is now clickable. Now the name of our the link to our Facebook page, let's just put a random thing here. Let's say let's say facebook.com. Let's say facebook.com. Actually, you're supposed to put https :/ yeah, this is linked to facebook.com. So when the user click this Facebook, they will be redirected to Facebook. But if we put our Facebook link here, they will be redirected straight to our Facebook page. So let's try this. So it's supposed to go to Facebook, but because I'm not connected to the internet at the moment, because I don't want any interference with because of notification and auto update in the background will disrupt the video, so I don't want that. So if you are doing this on your own system and your internet is on, you will see that you'll be redirected straight to the Facebook. So now, if as you can see, if you create a website like this and someone click a link in your website like this, definitely the user will hardly come back to your website. So the best way we do this is to make it in such a way that when the user click like this Facebook, a new page, a new tab will be created, so the user can easily go back to your own page. The user can easily go back to your website, so they will not be lost from the new on the new link they are redirected to. So to do that, we just come to this href first opening tag, type target blank, target equals to, in quotes, underscore blank. So once you do this, once the user click this, you can see the new tab will be open for them to navigate. After they can easily just click on your own tab and come back to your website. They cannot be lost. So once they finish with the what they're doing in the Facebook, after liking our page and everything, they can easily close it and come back to the page. So that is it for external link. I believe you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.